Hello, welcome to Forum's tutorial on uploading and sharing downloadable content with your presentation. My name is Maddie, and I will be guiding you along in a step-by-step process on how a presenter can use Forum's ability to provide an audience downloadable content to their advantage. During any time in the presentation, additional files can be made available for download. You will need to upload the file to the Forum app before your audience can download the file. Forum can make any file type available for download. PowerPoints, Keynotes, PDFs, Word docs, video files, etc. are just a few examples. First, select Options from the Forum app. Once in Options, look under Files. You can add any file type that you'd like. Forum automatically makes the current PDF presentation available for download. Select Add a File and choose from your uploaded files, then select OK. This will add your download to the presentation. To add more files, repeat the process. You can change the order of your files through the drop-down menu to the right of the file name. Delete any files by selecting the X. From the audience view, participants can download files by selecting Download from the menu on the lower right side. The participant can then view and download the files that are available. For more videos like this, please visit our Help Center at www.holdaforum.com under the Support tab. You may also reach the Forum Customer Interaction Department directly by phone, email, or chat during regular business hours. Thank you.